guys, my name is Peace Christopher. So currently we're at Aguda Surulere and I want to show you one of our recent installation for a customer. Let's go. Hi Tony. So we are going to the installation area and I want to show you the whole system. So this is a one number of a 4.2 kilowatt inverter, and here we have a two number of a 5.12 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery. Take a look. So this is the battery breaker and this is the AC surge. This is the AC breaker and this is the automatic bypass. This is the DC surge, DC breaker for the solar panels.
It's not that complicated, as it's a regular routine. It's what we've been doing for a long period of time.
Yes.
More than 10 years of experience. So
that's such a long time.
So it's not new to us. We got to the site, we brought everything needed, the batteries, the inverter, and all the protective device. So we will unpack them and then we mount the battery, mount the inverter and all the protective device. Then the solar panels of 600 watts, four numbers was mounted, yes,
on the roof.
Was mounted on the roof with the appropriate support, and the cable was run down here to the protective device, which is the breaker and the DC surge. In case of any surge through the solar side, it will protect the surge going into the inverter.
Okay.
And likewise, the one on the AC side, there's a surge there also, and appropriate breaker to protect any surge from the input side going into the inverter, to protect the inverter as well. And we have a battery breaker in place to be between the battery and the inverter in case of any needs.
A need arises.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we have automatic changeover there, which is between inverter and any other available sources, which might be NEPA or GEN.
Don't you think you need this solar solution in your apartment? Of course you do, because if you get the solar solution in your apartment, you are cutting down every unnecessary expenses. Talking about NEPA bills, generator maintenance, and then the high price in fuel. You know how much that is right now. So you need this. Green Power is here to solve all the problems. So what do you have to do? Call the number in the caption.